In the last few videos you saw that the worksheets and the exercises are the main part of STM, main part of Steps to Maths and its purpose. We also saw how the information is laid out in the library. So we went through the process of creating a new book for the library and how to add that content to your particular book, so that now we have this content here as well as the master files for any additional content that you want to add. However, at the moment the only subsection which actually contains questions is this section here. So if you want to have a quick look at that, let's have a read of that book. When we read that book, we see all the content that's in there at the moment. However, there's additional content in the master files and some of the content doesn't have questions yet. So you may wish to add your own content, you may wish to add questions to existing content, and in order to do that we're going to go through the process of how to create content. But first of all, before we go on to those videos on how to create content, we're just going to look at some of the reasons why you might want to do that. So I created Steps to Maths in order to make it much easier for me to create work and assign it to my particular students. And the benefits of it at the moment are that all of this information is freely available both to you as a teacher and to your students. Anybody, for free, can come in, click on the content, they can read the book, they can go through the help files, they can look at the video links that are all available there on YouTube and discover and learn whatever they want to. In addition to that, any student, as we saw in the last couple of videos, can log into their account, they can log into a group that you have created, and they can go through their assignments, whatever those assignments happen to be. So if those assignments are on worksheets, they're able to click on the worksheet. And let's have a look at an example of that. I go back to my STM account, I go to my assignments, I look at the example worksheet and I click on the worksheet here. This brings me to a worksheet. If I open the worksheet, that provides me with all the questions that I'm interested in there in whatever language you want. And it also provides the answers to those questions at the bottom, exactly as they will be provided in any book with content. So what we have here basically is a free maths book, a free science book and a free applied maths book, complete with free content and with the freedom for you as a teacher to assign assignments to your students that they can work on, and all of this is for free. It's all freely available. So if you are interested in contributing content to this or having a way of having your content all in one location, I think the idea is that it would be very nice if we had a large community of teachers working together providing this content for your students. It's free now and it'll continue to be free. What is not free is the exercises section for students. So when students work on an exercise, or if they join a book as a particular course, the aspect of it for which they need to subscribe is for the automatic correction and for the automatic assignment of tasks and the automatic revision scheduling. All the other content is free, so they can freely access any of the information that you put up there in content and as worksheets. And as a group of teachers, we're all professionals, we can provide quality content which is freely available to everybody. So I'm looking forward to you all creating this content. So in the next couple of videos we're going to be looking at how you go about that and what type of content I'm hoping that will be available on Steps to Maths. Thank you.